Hello beautiful, welcome back. Happy New Year. I really hope 2021 is gonna be a much better year because honestly 2020 was a pretty shitty year, and actually it's still 2020 when I'm filming this video because I'm having some issues with my laptop and I cannot edit my videos right now, and I said, you know what, let me just keep filming so I have stuff to edit when my laptop will be ready. Anyway, if you guys want to see what random stuff I purchased from Shein recently, mostly is jewelry, but I have pretty random stuff here as well. Anyway, if you guys want to see what I purchased from Shein, then keep on watching. So cute. Everything is super affordable, you guys. I can't stay away from Shein. Next, I got a little remote for my phone or for this camera because when I have to take pictures of my makeup or for the thumbnail, I have to use my phone, and that's so annoying. So I really hope this remote will work. Moving on, I have another gift from Shein. This is a double side mirror. Oh, so cute! That's so cute. So yeah, this was a gift. Next, I have this little thing for the cord charger. You know, the chargers tend to break right here, so this goes in here and it won't allow the cord to bend, so it won't break, or it won't break that easily, because my original phone charger, it did that, like it broke right here. I don't know, and I hate it, and I don't know why. I also purchased this microphone stands, and actually I bought this because it came with the support for the phone, you feel me? So it's very handy when I do TikToks or Instagram stories. I don't have to hold my phone, you know? Let me open this. And again, it was super very affordable. You have to do it yourself, okay? Something is missing. But wait a second. Oh. I thought I was smart. Wow, this is a little bit complicated. Okay, I have to give myself the credit, okay? I am not that stupid. This is how it works. So yeah, you can use it as a microphone, whatever, stand, or for the phone. Yeah, it works, but it's not very stable. It's not very secure. This is not the best. I mean, it does what it says, but it's very fragile, so I don't recommend it. I don't know how much I paid. I know it was very affordable. What you doing? Don't have time for that. Anyway, I'm going to start with this cute necklace. Is the Good Vibes Only necklace, and it has this beautiful little sun. I did wear this a couple of times. It's so cute. Oh my god. And actually it didn't got dark, like the chain, it still looks pretty gold. I noticed that during the summertime, if I sweat, they also tend to go dark faster, but so far this looks nice. Next, I got another one with my sign, my zodiac sign. I'm a Leo, but I don't like this one because it comes in silver. I do like gold jewelry though. It's so tiny and so cute, and I really wish they had the gold option for this one, but they don't have it. Next, I have another necklace, and this is the beautiful necklace. It has like a little butterfly. I'm going to open it in a second. It says, "You're a kind, compassionate, and loving person. Wear your necklace as a reminder that you make the world a more beautiful place." Girls, Luna, no. Luna, oh my god, I can't with these cats. So they have a bunch of necklaces with cute messages like this, like the Good Vibes Only. It says, "Make a wish and put on your necklace. Every day has something to celebrate. Wear your necklace as a reminder to smile, to stay positive, and let the sun in." What? Let the sun shine in. Let the sun shine in. Wow, that was the first. Not really. Very cute, and the chain feels very delicate. Next, I got a set of rings, and I think again I paid €1. I don't know exactly, but it came with a bunch of rings, and some of them look nice, some of them are like, what the heck. Anyway, so this came with a bunch of rings, different sizes, so they look like this. Some of them have crystals, and actually the crystals are not very precisely in their spot, you feel me? But I feel like they're cute. I don't know. By the way, the top I'm wearing is also from Shein, and I do have a huge package here with clothing, but I'm going to film that another day because I feel like this video is already way too long. Next I'm going to show you this cute LED lamp. This was €6. You guys, €6. You can take this off so you can clean it. They do have larger ones, but what for? And also they are a little bit more expensive. Very good, very affordable. It works amazing. By the way, I did my nails today. Very sparkly. Moving on, I have this cute little pin. I don't know where I'm going to put this, but it says stay positive, and it's so freaking adorable. I think I paid 50 cents or so. Next I got this set of bracelets, and it came with different type of bracelets, I guess. I noticed that I don't wear that often bracelets, and I don't know why. Like, look how cute and adorable this is. I think this one is my favorite. Okay, so this set comes with 6 different bracelets, different sizes, different patterns. So cute. Moving on, I have more earrings, and actually I did saw these, come on camera, I saw these earrings on Kathleen Light's sister, Ilette. I don't know if you guys know her. She has a jewelry brand, or a jewelry, yeah, brand, and she has this style of earrings, and I thought they are so cute, and I wanted to have them. So yeah, she has a subscription jewelry box. Not bad. Oh, what? They look so freaking cute. What? I really hope they won't go dark after one wear, because that sucks. More earrings. I don't have anything like this in my collection, and I know they are so in right now. Actually, these do feel weightless. What? These are plastic. That's a boomer, but I guess they won't go dark, right? Like, because this is plastic, right? This is plastic. I don't know. Yeah, I feel like they won't go dark if they're plastic. Don't quote me on that. They look super nice and bulky, and I really like them. Super gold though, right? Like super yellow gold. Lollipop earrings. I saw them on Kathleen Light's this summer, but I guess they were way much smaller. These are huge. They do match my top though, and actually they had a bunch of colors. I went with this purple color. Let me put them like this. They're pretty big. Top. Wow, didn't know I could do that. What the? Why I can't put them on? Alright. Wow. Yeah, I feel like they are way too large. What is going on with my lipstick? I do hate that. Wait a second. Let me fix my lipstick. I do hate when that happens. Like, bitch, can you please not? Not bad, but I wish they were a hint smaller. So cute. Moving on, I have 3 rings, you guys. These are engagement rings. Look how huge this is. Like, you can see this from outer space. This is huge. Huge. And it looks, I don't know, authentic, even though I think I paid €1.50. That rock is, wow, huge. I do have another one similar, but is round, so not identical. so freaking adorable. Oh my god, you guys. Like, look how shiny they are. Then I have another engagement ring. This one is silver. And on this one it says size 7. The same concept, but different. You feel me? So I guess this finger is size 7 because it fits me perfectly. This one might be size 6 because it's a little bit large. So yeah, size 7 for reference is my middle finger up. Middle finger up. That was my chair, I'm sorry. Wow, this one really looks like silver, like white gold. I love all 3 rings, but my favorite is this huge one. Like, I'm sorry, I can't hear you. I'm so sorry for the length of this video, but you know, usually Shein hauls or the ones that I make, they're pretty long, and I'm sorry for that, but it is what it is. So I bought a few makeup items because they were on sale, obviously. I bought 2 colorful glittery liners. I got the color silver and light green, and I'm so curious to see them because online they looked so beautiful, so bright, so intense. I did try Shein makeup, and actually their products are too good to be true. Like, for the price, too good to be true. I don't have another description. I'm wearing their lashes right now. Like, these are Shein lashes. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous. Like, it matches me. Wow, it's so cute, but it's one of those liners that will go in every single line or imperfection you have on the skin. Yeah, it's not that intense. I don't know, I have to use it on my eyes to see exactly how it looks, but so far, judging from this swatch, I'm not really a fan, even though the packaging is absolutely beautiful. Like, that was so unnecessary. So this is in the shade light green. Wow, so beautiful. Oh yeah, again we have the same formula. It's super runny, very watery. Moving on, I got 2 Wing It waterproof liner duo. I don't know why I bought 2 of them. I got the shade black. Wow, alright. Oh yeah, now I remember this. So this one has the stamp, so you can easily create your wing liner. Let's see how that goes. What? That was super easy. So yeah, it will be way much easier for you if you are not good at doing wing liners. If you purchase one of these, on the other side it has the marker wing liner, whatever, felt tip. I don't think this is the best because you can see it's not perfectly black, and also it leaves marks. This is not the best liner from them. Like, you can totally see it leaves marks behind, so you just have to be careful. Maybe just use the stamp thing and then use your regular wing liner, liquid liner. This is also from SHEGLAM, and I feel like this is the best I've tried from them. This one is not amazing, but anyway, moving on. Then I purchased a lip liner from them. I really like this soft touch packaging. It's so cute. It comes with a sharpener, which is amazing, and actually this is retractable. Wow, the color is so pretty, you guys. I really like the color. This is like a dusty soft pink type of nude. This is so pretty. Wow. And last but certainly not least, I have this color changing lip balm. The packaging is very nice and it feels nice too. What? This is so cute. This is a lip balm, but it looks so pretty. It doesn't smell. This is how much product you have inside, and I feel like I want to eat this. Let me, I don't know, swatch it. Color changing, it said. Oh yeah, on my hand it looks pink, so I guess this will change once you apply it on the lips. I don't know. Alright guys, so that's it for today. I'm going to wrap this video right here because I feel like this is way too long. Stay tuned because I'm going to film 2 more Shein hauls. As I said, I have a huge bag here. It's huge and heavy. I mostly have clothings in here. So probably I'm going to split the video. Ooh, that was another mask. So probably I'm going to split this video in 2 parts because I have so much stuff. It's not just this. I have more stuff to show you guys. Stay tuned for that. So that's that. Please let me know down below what was your favorite item from this haul. I have to say that the rings are my favorite. They don't look cheap. I know I paid €1 and something for each, but if you see me from far, you wouldn't know that they are cheap. Anyway, as I said, let me know down below what was your favorite item from this haul. I need to remind myself to use the silicone sacks so I can let you guys know how they work or if they work. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Bye guys.